Welcome to a series of videos where I review cheap AliExpress earphones to see if they're worth buying or not. Today we are reviewing the AK6 earphones, coming in at just $3. Let's get into the video. Now let's start off first with the unboxing experience. There is none. I got these earphones in a Ziploc bag with some silicone ear tips and some cable ear hooks. For the price, the earphones feel good, everything from the cable to the two-color slightly transparent enclosure. I also went for the cable that includes a microphone, which I will also be testing out. But first, let's talk about the audio quality. I've been using these earphones for a few weeks now, from listening to music and videos to using them whilst working out. In general, the audio quality they produce is very good. The audio is balanced with clear highs and mids. However, I did find the bass to be a little bit lacking compared to the rest of the sound. But in general, the quality of the audio was very good. Now let's also test out the optional microphone on the cable.
This is an audio test of the AK6 Pro earphones. Currently there is no background noise and I'm simply recording the sound to my phone. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Now I'm talking whilst there is ambient background noise of a busy street. Welcome to Bubbly Tech. In this video I am audio testing the AK6 Pro earphones with some background noise. Does it sound good? Tell me down in the comments.
One thing I would recommend you go ahead and buy is a case for your earphones, because of course it doesn't come with them originally. For around $3 you can buy a case like this that will help you protect your earphones in the future. But now let's move on to the pros and cons of these earphones. For the pros, they generate good audio quality, the price is very low, the cable also feels nice and very high quality. There's of course an option to buy a microphone with the cable. For the cons, the bass is a bit lackluster and of course you don't get a case when you buy the earphones. With that being said, taking all of this into consideration, would I recommend you guys go ahead and buy these earphones? Yes, I would. From their build quality to the sound quality, these really do provide a lot of value for the price. Of course, don't forget to buy a case with the earphones so you don't accidentally lose them. And if you guys want to buy this case and the earphones, I will leave a link down in the description where you can buy them. This concludes the first video of this series where I review cheap AliExpress earphones. If you guys want to see more, go check out the playlist where I review all of the earphones I bought. And if you're maybe someone that's looking for some wireless earphones, go check out this video where I review the Mi True Wireless earphones too. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.